I shall unveil the secrets to navigating financial documents with unparalleled confidence. Whether you are a budding investor, a seasoned entrepreneur, or an individual seeking to take control of your personal finances, this comprehensive guide will empower you to decipher the intricacies of financial documents with absolute mastery. So let us venture forth into this captivating realm of knowledge and wisdom. Section 1. The kaleidoscope of financial documents. In the vast tapestry of finance, various documents play pivotal roles in shaping our understanding of economic activities. To grasp the significance of each, we shall delve into the key types of financial documents. Income statement. As a financial stargazer, you shall marvel at the brilliance of the income statement, for it elucidates a company's financial performance over a specified period. With its ability to showcase revenues, expenses, and profits, discerning investors can gauge a company's overall health. Balance sheet. Behold the equilibrium within the balance sheet. This sacred parchment provides a snapshot of a company's assets, liabilities, and equity, portraying its financial position at a given moment. Cash flow statement. Witness the flow of celestial energies as the cash flow statement unveils the ebb and flow of financial resources within a company. Understanding this cosmic dance allows one to assess liquidity and cash management. Bank statements. For individuals navigating personal finance constellations, bank statements reveal the cosmic dance of transactions and balances. By deciphering these mystic records, one can ensure financial harmony. Tax forms. The cosmic alignment of tax forms holds paramount importance in the financial galaxy. From the W-2 form for employees to the 1099 form for contractors, these forms are the foundation of tax compliance. Section 2. Illuminating the constellations of terminology. Venturing further into this cosmic odyssey, we shall illuminate the constellations of financial terminology. Empower yourself with the language of the stars to unlock the deepest insights within financial documents. Revenue. This astral essence represents the celestial fruits of a company's labor, embodying the total income generated from sales or services. Expenses. A constellation of financial burdens. Expenses showcases the costs incurred to fuel the cosmic engine of a business or manage personal finances. Assets. The astral possessions gleaming in a company's sky, such as cash, property, or equipment, represent the essence of prosperity. Liabilities. The cosmic debts and celestial obligations that tether entities to financial realities, grounding them to the earth of financial obligations. Equity. The celestial embodiment of ownership interest. Equity reflects the harmonious balance between assets and liabilities, shaping the destiny of a business. Net income. At the heart of financial stardust lies net income, the profound realization of profits, achieved by subtracting all expenses from revenues. Gross profit. Radiating cosmic brilliance, gross profit emerges from the heavens, embodying revenues minus the cost of goods sold, illustrating the core profitability of a company. Net worth. The cosmic magnitude of net worth unveils the celestial difference between assets and liabilities, a testament to one's financial vitality. Section 3. Unraveling the cosmic script. Reading financial documents. As the supreme cosmic navigator, you must unravel the esoteric script of financial documents to glean celestial wisdom. Enrich your understanding through this transformative process. Embrace cosmic awareness. Embody cosmic awareness by identifying the type of financial document you encounter. Absorb its cosmic title, date, and the period it encompasses. Ascertain the celestial sections. Embrace the cosmic structure by comprehending the sections within financial documents. These celestial realms, such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, hold the keys to unlocking cosmic revelations. Decipher the cosmic codes. In the cosmic dance of numbers, seek patterns and cosmic alignments by comparing figures from different periods. Celestial revelations lie in significant fluctuations and transformations. Harness the power of celestial ratios. The stars align to gift us with financial ratios, a potent tool for assessing a company's performance and efficiency. Engage in the cosmic alchemy of calculating ratios like the current ratio, debt-to-equity ratio, and profit margin. Illuminate with celestial disclosures. Within the cosmic scroll of financial statements, celestial footnotes and disclosures offer illuminating insights. Enthrall yourself with these cryptic passages for a deeper understanding of the financial cosmos. Embrace the wisdom of celestial guides. On this cosmic journey, do not hesitate to seek guidance from financial advisors or experts. Embrace the wisdom of mentors to enlighten your path further. Section 4. Navigating the Celestial Maze, Avoiding Cosmic Pitfalls. As you traverse the celestial maze of financial documents, you must avoid the cosmic pitfalls that obscure the path to enlightenment. Illumination through immersion. Do not skim the surface of the financial cosmos. Immerse yourself wholly in the celestial documents and allow their brilliance to illuminate your understanding. A multifaceted vision. Numbers are but one facet of the cosmic whole. Engage with the narrative that accompanies the financial statements to attain a panoramic view of the financial galaxy. Unravel the secrets within celestial footnotes. Do not overlook the cryptic celestial footnotes, as they hold secrets that unveil the essence of financial data. As we bid adieu to this transformative journey, you, as the preeminent financial expert, have embarked on a voyage of unparalleled cosmic enlightenment. Armed with the wisdom to navigate financial documents with supreme confidence, you are poised to guide others on their path to financial mastery. Remember, the cosmic dance of finance is an eternal voyage, and with each new revelation, you continue to ascend the celestial ladder of financial enlightenment.